Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a review and wear and tear video of these VEJA V10 sneakers. I've had these sneakers for a while now, so I thought it was the perfect time to do a wear and tear video of it as well as my full review. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. My next goal for this channel is to reach 5,000 subscribers, so if these are types of videos that you like watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below, and if you want to connect with me in my socials, it's at Trisha Camille on TikTok. So these VEJA V10s, I did an unboxing of this on my channel 2 years ago when I just got it. And now time has passed with me using and abusing these sneakers, so I thought now is the perfect time to do a review on them. I've used these constantly now for the last 2 years, and this is how they're faring. These haven't been cleaned, and I'm actually going to do a cleaning montage after this review video to show you guys how I clean these VEJA sneakers. But yeah, these are 2 years without cleaning, and these have gone through a lot already. So considering the amount of times that I've worn them, they're actually in pretty good condition, and I'll just do close-ups. These are just plain white sneakers, and they're actually my only regular white sneakers in my current rotation. So this has taken a lot of beating. This has actually also already walked in snow. I wore this to Switzerland. I wore these sneakers up to Mount Titlis in Switzerland in October. So the mountain was still filled with snow at that time, and these sneakers survived. And they actually weren't so slippery considering I wore sneakers to the snow. So as you can see, even with snow, it's still okay. And when I wore this to the snow, it was about 2 years already. So considering the climate that it experienced, the leather is actually still in pretty good condition, as you can see. So this VEJA V10s are made from leather upper. So the VEJA sneakers, I know they come in a lot of different materials, but the specific one, the V10s that I got, is in leather. So that's why it's a little more sturdy. And as you can see, as much as I've worn it so many times, there's no peeling or cracking on the leather. Even in the interior, there's nothing crazy that's happened to it yet. It's all basically just dirt on it. Another thing that I noticed about these sneakers is that here on the toe box, it doesn't really create like a crease. I'm not a very careful person when it comes to shoes, so I don't really mind creasing, but I know a lot of people are. And as you can see with these ones, like yes, there are light signs of usage on the toe box signifying a crease, but it's not that crazy. It's not like other sneakers, and I'm not conscious about toe box creases when it comes to sneakers, but I know there are people who are. So if you're conscious about that kind of wear and tear, then I'm confident to say that you don't really have to be so conscious when it comes to these sneakers. Because for a person like me who doesn't really care about creasing, it's actually not so bad on the toe box. I mentioned that these are my go-to white sneakers, and aside from wearing it to travel, I've also worn this a lot in like construction sites, and I just remember that because I could see some paint. So I just have some paint marks over there, and we'll see later on if I can remove it when I get it clean. So yeah, this basically just the wear and tear of it, and just very light creasing on the toe box and mostly dirt. And of course, the soles are a little bit more yellow already, although I know these soles come in a little darker than white out of the box. Now I want to talk about the comfortability level of these shoes, and I can tell you guys that it is not the softest shoe that you will ever try on. These are not Ultra Boost. These are not New Balances. Off the bat, I feel like you're paying the price more for the quality and less for the comfort. So I mentioned it's been 2 years, and I've really beat this shoe up to death. I've used it everywhere. These are my only white shoes, and it's still in pretty good condition. Like, it looks like I've only used this like for a year probably, considering I've worn this a lot over the past 2 years. So I think that's more of what you're paying for. Okay, here's the thing. I can wear this the whole day without my feet hurting, but it's not my most comfortable shoe. So as much as yes, it is comfortable for a whole day's walking, it is not walking on clouds as how you would feel when you're walking with Ultra Boost or New Balances. So comfort rating for me would be like an 8/10. It's not painful. You can wear it the whole day, but it's not the softest walking on clouds kind of shoe, if you get what I mean. So it's a great, reliable shoe if that's what you're looking for. If you just want your feet to not be in pain, yes, these will suffice, but you're not gonna get the softest kind of footbed on these. For the soles, this is how it's fared up since. and still in pretty good condition. I don't think there are any heel drags really, but yeah, still pretty great considering the time I've had these. Now for sizing, I already talked about this in my first unboxing video, but if you haven't seen that yet, I'm a Euro 38 in these Vejas, which translate to a US 7. And the 38s are perfect for my size. For reference, I am usually more or less a US 7 in other shoes like Nike or Adidas, 7.5 at most. But for these Vejas, the 38 or the US 7 fit me just right. While in Zara shoes, I'm usually in 39, but that's mostly for sandals. And I do have to note though that I know that Veja varies in sizing, because when I bought these sneakers, I actually read a lot of reviews just to get my sizing right. And the review said that it varies per style. So just my advice, if you're looking to get any other style aside from the V10s, I suggest you watch more videos, because I do have another sneaker from them. I got the Explorer from them as well, and I'm a size 39 in that. So it really varies per shoe. So I recommend searching the exact style that you want before buying your pair. Now I'm going to be cleaning them with this Jason Markk shoe cleaner. I've had this for a very long time now. It's actually a little hard already, so I think I'm just going to put water in. But I've always used this to clean my sneakers, and it's always worked wonders. It comes with this brush. I actually don't know if they already changed the packaging because it's been such a long time since I got this. But yeah, usually it just comes with this. You just pour the cleaning product on the brush, put some water on the brush, and then use this brush to rub the shoe, and then wipe the shoe with a clean cloth, and usually it removes all the dirt away. So try this now, and I'll just show you the process. Before I start cleaning, I'll just show you each pair close up, just so you can see like all the dirt and the grime that we will try to remove. And this is the other pair. So yeah, still in pretty good condition, as you can see, but of course we will clean this up and it'll be like new. And these are the shoes post-cleaning. They're actually still a little bit wet, so it's not like perfectly white yet because some areas haven't dried. But as you can see, they are back to white, and majority of the dark spots earlier with the dirt are gone. Usually I would also bleach the shoelaces just so everything is back in pristine condition, but we don't have time for that, so I'll just do that some other time. I also didn't clean the tongue anymore, so it's still a little bit gray as you can see. But basically, for quick cleaning, this is what the Jason Markk can do. And honestly, the Jason Markk shoe cleaner I had was kind of expired already, so I feel like it didn't do the best work. I have to buy a new one. But still, it cleaned up a lot, and you can definitely see the difference. I'll also do close-ups again. Unfortunately, the paint on the right shoe can't be removed anymore. As you can see, some of the little paint splatters can't be removed, and there's also tiny bits of paint splatters on the left shoe, but not as obvious on the right. But that's basically it. Even the sole area was cleaned, although not perfectly. I kind of got lazy to keep on rubbing eventually, but I think that's actually the color of the sole that it came in. You can actually refer to my unboxing to see the original color. So yeah, this is the result of the Jason Markk shoe cleaner. So that's about it. Thanks guys for watching this video. Again, my next target is 5,000 subscribers. So if you guys reach the end of this video, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you could. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!